The Genius system that delivers a precise controlled radiofrequency energy through the ultra-fine microneedles, creating thousands of microscopic channels in your scalp. This dual-action approach stimulates your body's natural healing response, while concurrently prepares your scalp for maximum penetration. Then we infuse these channels with our Exosome Booster serum, containing billions of the exosome and over 300 growth factors in each treatment vial. These powerful cellular messengers work at the molecular level to revitalize your scalp's environment and reawaken the dormant hair follicle. The result? Visually thicker, healthier hair, and improved scalp conditions without the surgery pain or downtime. Genius Hair Restoration is suitable for all hair types and addresses multiple concerns, including thinning hair, receding hairlines, and the decreased hair density. For optimal results, we recommend a series of 4 treatments spaced 3 to 4 weeks apart, followed by a maintenance session tailored to your individual needs.